Hi, welcome back to English Flow Podcast. My name is Lucas, and I am so happy you are here. Before we start, please tap the subscribe button. It is free, and it helps you learn English every week. Ready? Today we talk about a very famous book. The name is The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. The writer is Stephen Covey. Do not worry. We use easy English. Short sentences, simple words. Let's go. First, what is a habit? A habit is a thing you do again and again. You do it every day, and it feels normal. You brush your teeth? That is a habit. You check your phone in the morning. That is a habit too. Some habits are good, and some habits are not good. Stephen Covey says good habits make a good life. Small habits, big change. Remember this word? Habit. We will use it many times today. Habit 1 is be proactive. What this mean? It means you choose. You do not wait. You do not blame other people. You take action. For example, you want to speak English. You do not say, I have no time. You say, I will study 10 minutes now. That is being proactive. You are the driver of your life. You hold the wheel. This is a strong idea, and it is very simple. Habit 2 is begin with the end in mind. This means think about your goal first. Where do you want to go? What do you want at the end? Picture it in your head. Then you make a plan. For English, your goal can be simple. Maybe you want to talk to a friend in English. Good. Now you know your goal. Remember this word? Goal. A goal is the thing you want. Goal is the thing you want. When you have a goal, every day has a reason. Habit 3 is put first things first. This is my favorite. It means do the important things first, not only the fast and easy things. Many people do small, easy things all day. Then they feel tired, and the important work is still there. So, do the big thing first. For English, study first, then watch a fun video. First things first. Try it tomorrow morning and see how you feel. Habit 4 is think win-win. This means I win and you win too. Not I win, you lose. Good people help each other. When you study English with a friend, you both grow. You teach them one word, they teach you one word. 2 winners. This is a kind way to live and to learn. Look for win-win in your family, your job, and your class. Habit 5 is listen first, then talk. Covey says it with bigger words, but the idea is simple. Understand people before you answer. Many people wait to talk. They do not really listen. But good listening is a superpower. For English, this is very important too. Listen a lot. Listen to me now. Listen to songs, videos, and podcasts. When you listen well, you speak better. Listen first, then talk. Habit 6 is work together. Covey calls it synergy, but here is the easy meaning. Two people can make something bigger than one person alone. 1 + 1 can be 3. When we share ideas, we get new and better ideas. So do not always study alone. Find a study friend. Join a group. Say your new English words to a real person. Together is stronger. Habit 7 is take care of yourself. Covey calls this sharpen the saw. Think of a man who cuts wood all day with an old, tired saw. If he stops and makes the saw sharp, the work is faster and easier. You are the saw. Sleep well. Eat good food. Rest your mind. A tired brain cannot learn English. A fresh brain learns fast. Be kind to your body and your mind. Now, why do these 7 habits help your English? Because English is a habit too. You do not learn English in one day. You learn it in small pieces every day. 10 minutes today, 10 minutes tomorrow. Be proactive and start now. Have a clear goal. Do the important study first. Listen a lot. Practice with people. And rest so your mind stays fresh. Same book, same 7 habits for your English life. Let's practice 3 easy words from today. Say them with me. Habit, a thing you do every day. Goal, the thing you want. Listen, to hear with care. One more time. Habit, goal, listen. Very good. Now think of one small habit you can start today. Maybe, I listen to English for 10 minutes every morning. Small and easy. Small habit, big change. You can do it. Thank you so much for learning with me today. You are doing a great job, really. In the next episode, we will talk about another good book, The Subtle Art of Not Giving Too Much. It is fun and helpful, and yes, it is in easy English too. So please subscribe to English Flow Podcast and tap the bell so you do not miss it. Practice one habit today and come back soon. This is Lucas. Keep going, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.